This right here is Coolermaster Rising Gaming Desk, and it's actually not bad. It's built with high quality components and actually has some impressive safety features that I don't see a lot of gaming or even rising desks really feature this. Such as it has anti-collision, so if there's like a large object underneath, maybe like your PC tower or something like that, the desk is smart enough to detect that so it doesn't crush your electronics. And also has built-in safety features. In case one of the dual motors fell, it does have automatic locks, and at its lowest height adjustment, it can go all the way down to 26 inches and can go as high 51 inches height, which is quite impressive. Now everything, the structure, everything on this desk actually is made out of premium high quality materials. Everything is literally made out of metal, what it feels like, which means moving the packages, the boxes that this desk came included in was somewhat of a struggle because some of the things came out to be close to 90 pounds. So it's quite heavy, but once it's fully assembled, which by the way, the assembly process literally only took 30 minutes, super convenient to assemble, everything was straightforward. A lot of wiring, but everything is covered thanks to its creative wire management system. Now, the design of choice. When the system is turned on, it definitely does look like a gaming desk. The LED strip is obviously built into the desk entirely, and it illuminates across evenly, unlike some other old-fashioned LED strips you see like the little dots. And when it's turned off, it looks like a normal desk, which I like. Super modern looking, should be easy to match across any setup. But there are some purple trim pieces right here on the side, but I have noticed it's made out of metal. Someone could easily unscrew this, paint it to whatever color they desire, and just simply reattach it to your desk. So I like the fact that Coolermaster knows that this purple could be an issue to some, but does allow the user to easily paint it if they like. Now, this premium mouse pad was indeed included with the cool Coolermaster logo right here. And even though this part does rise up on the desk, it's not at all in the way whenever you're typing up something on your computer. In fact, I kind of do like this little raised piece because if you actually have a pencil or something like that, or any object, it's not going to simply roll off your desk. So it has that little cool prevention. Now, it does have some cool, useful functionality aside from looks and the fact that it's a rising desk, as there is a cool USB port right here that does allow you to actually charge your devices with a USB-A port, charge your device. Now, if your desktop is already rigged with Coolermaster stuff, if you use the Master Plus, a PC software, this allows you to actually customize this desk even more to your own personal preferences. But by default, you have these 4 presets already on the desk itself. But again, you can use software to actually customize it even more. Now, with the brightness at max, this thing gets really bright. Like so bright, it actually can illuminate the entire room, which will give you a cool LED theme if that's what you're looking for. But if you don't have any lamps, or if you like to use your actual room lamp, of course you can always dim it down and lower the brightness using the software. Now, the top part of the desk, this is using some type of anti-scratch resistant material. So you're gonna have to do a lot of effort if you really want to make a scratch on this top part of the desk. I like the fact that this part actually is reinforced. And the height adjustments, there's 3 memory profiles you can set. And to set it up, it's extremely easy. You just literally tap the M button and then tap the number that you like to save that height to. And once you do that, you can simply just press whatever number and it will quickly adjust to whoever preset setting they like to save. And then other features that it does have, you can actually change the sensitivity and speed. All you do is just hold up the up and down arrow for 5 seconds. And it will actually change the speed that way. You can also turn off the anti-collision, but I don't recommend doing that. Now, those motors are extremely smooth and ridiculously powerful, but I guess it's a good thing because the desk can hold up to 220 pounds. A little bit overkill, but this also allows you to actually know that the motors are never going to be operating anywhere close to its max capacity, which is good for better longevity. So the likelihood of these motors going to fail are very unlikely. But again, it has some impressive safety features like the anti-collision and the fail safety lock mechanism that it has in case one of the motors fell. Your entire PC setup or other electronics you have are not going to get fried or destroyed in case a catastrophic failure occurs. Now, with all that, this desk actually does have a retail price of $799. Again, it is expensive, but the premium quality actually does make it worth it, especially when you compare it against other competitors out there and available in the market. There's not a lot of gaming rising desks like this that actually features like really powerful bright LED lights that are fully customizable. But I was on popular websites like Tom's Guides and I looked at their top rated Raising desks, and they're usually around this price tag for these similar features, like Darvis standing desk or the Varia, I hope I'm saying that right, electric desk. This one retails for $695, so it's really competitive if you compare it against other desks with similar features and size. I know the ones at Costco are much more cheaper as well, but trust me, I looked at them. The buttons and everything are not really as high premium quality compared to these higher value rising desks. But aside from that, not a bad desk, really amazing. Again, I like the fitment, like the design they did with the LED lights. It's super modern looking, and even though it has a lot of features, it managed to maintain a nice, slick, simple look, making your gaming desktop look extremely clean and premium, especially with the built-in wire management system that it has back here. So you can easily put your monitors and stuff or other cables that have to pass through the desk without making it run outside the desk like some other gaming desks. Now, quick disclosure, even though Coolermaster did went ahead and send out this desk for me just to generally review it, there wasn't any sponsorship or any agreement done with this thing. You're seeing this video same time they're seeing it. I'm basically just reviewing it as it is, and honestly, it's not bad. So if you already have like a Coolermaster setup going on, or a Coolermaster is a brand that you really do like, or you're just looking for a rising gaming desk in general, this is not a bad choice. As we already see, it's pretty competitive in terms of other desks around this price tags with similar features. So there you guys have it. If you're looking to know where you could actually go ahead and find this desk, I'll be sure to include a link in the video description down below. If there's another rising gaming desk similar to this, feel free to comment down below or share me your thoughts on what you think about this one. Some things that could be improved, some features you wish to see if it has. Feel free to, once more, comment down below. Now, Windows 11 is brand new, so I highly recommend still checking out this video over here where I cover all the amazing hidden features that Windows 11 can offer that a lot of people don't know about. And then that video over there, that is just the video YouTube's recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.